Hi everyone. So now we are going to start a project called solar power generation for home. Okay. So for domestic purpose, we are generating the electricity using solar panel, and we are converting the DC voltage to AC power supply and supplying to the houses. Okay, and also domestic purposes. So for that we required solar panels. Okay, so after that solar panel, the solar generated electricity must be converted, or it must be uh, amplified to higher value. Okay, so for that we use a boost converter. Okay, so after the boost connector, to convert the DC power supply to the AC, we use inverter. Okay, so after inverter, uh, AC, we will not get a pure AC. Okay, we will get a pulsating AC supply. So to avoid this pulsating, we must use a passive filter to filter a pulsating AC supply. Okay, after passive filter, we will get a pure AC power supply. So then we can connect the domestic appliances to that supply, and we can use the equipments. Okay, so let us start the project. So click on libraries. Okay, so first we need a PV array. So this is a solar panel. Okay, so go to Simscape. There, click on Sim Power Systems, then Specialized Technologies. In that, click on Renewables. Okay, so renewables, click on Solar. So these are the renewable energies. Then click on Solar. So select PV array. Okay, so take this one block, place it here. Next one is take a constant block. Okay, so go to commonly used blocks, take constant blocks. Okay, so after that take a scope. So place the components here. After that take a series RLC branch, go to Simscape. Okay, then click on Sim Power Systems. In there, Specialized Technologies. After that, fundamental blocks. There you can click on elements. Okay, so elements. Okay, so in this, take series RLC branch. So after that go back and click on power GUI. Okay, so then you need a diode, IGBT, and a universal bridge. For that, go to Simscape. Okay, power systems and specialized technologies, their fundamental blocks and power electronics. So take IGBT slash diode. Okay, so after that diode, and then universal bridge. Okay, so you need these three blocks, place it here. So after that you need a PWM generator. For that, go back. Okay, so again, and here select control and measurements. Okay, in that click on pulse and signal generator. After that take PWM generator 2 level. Okay, add this one, so place it here. So next component is pulse generator. For that go to sources. Okay, so select here pulse generator. Okay, add block. Okay, so take the block and place here. After that, voltage measurement. Okay, so for that, go to Simscape, their power systems, specialized technologies, fundamental blocks, go to measurements. Okay, so here you will get a voltage measurement block. So add this one. Okay, place it here. Okay, so these are the blocks you need for this project. Okay, so let us do connections. Okay, so this is a PV array. Okay, so you must give a two inputs, IR and T. IR is nothing but irradiations. Okay, so and T is nothing but your temperature. So for that, take a constant block. Okay, place it here. So do connections, and on another one block. Okay, for temperature value. So two values. Okay, so this one is a irradiations from the sun. Okay, so this one is a temperature. Okay, so after that you must connect uh, capacitor. Okay, so for that, take a RLC, double click on that. So here select C, that is capacitor. Okay, so make it the value as 0.006 and click on OK. Okay, so and next click on Control R to rotate the capacitor. Place it here. Okay, connect positive to here. Okay, so and negative to here. Okay, so after that you must connect a inductor. Okay, so move this one. Okay, so copy this one, double click on that, so select L and give a value of 0.02. Click on OK. Control R, place it here. Okay, okay, so after that you must connect the IGBT diode block. So rotate this block, Control R. Okay, so after this one, connect. Okay, collector and emitter. Okay, so next take a diode block. Okay, this one, place it here, connect these two. Okay, after diode you must connect another one capacitor. Okay, here, and make the connections, and here. Okay, so after that take universal bridge. Okay, so in this we are giving a DC input, so we must flip this one. Okay, so these positive and negative terminals can must be this side. Okay, so for that, right click, so here rotate, flip block left to right. Okay, so here DC side and here supply side, AC supply. Okay, and so see here there is a three phase. So you must need a single phase. For that, double click on this. Select number of bridge arms to 2. Okay. So and here select IGBT diodes. Okay. Click on OK. So after this, connect the positive to here, negative here. Okay. So So after this one, you will get a AC power supply. Okay, so this AC is a pulsating AC. Okay, you require a pure AC signal to to make the pure AC power supply. You must use a passive filter. Okay, for passive filter you must connect a inductor and a capacitor. Okay. Okay, so after that you need a resistor. Okay, so for the load connections you must need a resistor. Okay, double click on this, select R. Okay, that is resistance. Okay, so do connections. Okay, so now you will get a AC power supply across this resistor. Okay, so then take a PWM generator, place it here. Okay, so double click on this. Here you must change a, so right mark this one, internal generation of reference signal. Okay, so and change this one to single phase full bridge. Okay, then click on OK. So after that connect this to universal bridge. Okay, so next one is pulse generator. So double click on that, make the period value 1 divided by 1500. Okay, so after that pulse width must be 50. Click on OK. So connect the pulse generator to this one, IGBT diode. Okay. Okay. So after this voltage measurement, so you require a output of solar panel, and here after boosting the DC generated DC voltage, we must measure the boosted power supply. Okay, this is a boost converter. Okay, so and another one final, you require a output AC power supply. Okay, for that you will measure the voltage here. Okay, so after that take scope. Okay, so double click, settings, so here make it 3. Okay, and close. Okay, so first input must be connected to the solar panel, second, so second connect to the converter, and third one final output. Okay, so this is your solar power generation for home. Okay, so some more values. Click on this one, irradiations. So this must be 1500. Okay, radiations, and temperature must be 25. Click on OK. Okay, so next one is your PV array. Okay, click on PV array. Here, okay, wait. So parallel strings, make it as 20, and series connect must be 5. Then click on OK. Okay, so this is your final project. So next you must select the solver. So here select ODI 23T. and click on OK. Okay, make the stop time to 3. After that, save your code.